Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a must-know skill for 2025. How to use Google Translate offline on your Android device. Whether you're traveling abroad, hiking in a remote area, or just dealing with unreliable internet, this feature is a lifesaver. It's quick, easy, and keeps you connected without needing data. Let's dive right in and get you set up step by step. First, ensure you have the Google Translate app installed. Head to the Google Play Store, search for Google Translate, and download or update it if needed. Once that's done, open the app on your Android phone. Next, tap the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. From the menu, select Settings. This is where the magic happens for offline use. In the Settings menu, look for Offline Translation or a similar option. Tap it, and you'll see a list of available languages. Here, you can download the languages you need. For example, if you're heading to Japan, select Japanese and hit Download. It might take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed and the language size, so grab a coffee while it processes. Once your languages are downloaded, you're all set. Now, even without an internet connection, open the app, choose your downloaded languages, and start translating. You can translate text by typing, use voice input for spoken words, or even scan images with the camera feature, all offline. A quick tip for 2025. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for the best performance and any new offline enhancements. This way, you'll avoid any glitches and get accurate translations every time. And there you have it. You're now a pro at using Google Translate offline on Android. This feature is incredibly useful for staying independent while exploring the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.